Mysterious mechanisms. How mechanical watches work. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are going to unravel the mysteries of mechanical watches and explore how these intricate timepieces work. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of horology. Mechanical watches are more than just timekeeping devices, they are works of art. These intricate machines blend precision engineering and craftsmanship to create a mesmerizing combination of gears, springs, and intricate mechanisms. At the heart of a mechanical watch is the mainspring. This coiled spring stores potential energy, which is gradually released to power the movement of the watch. The escapement mechanism is a crucial component of mechanical watches. It regulates the release of energy from the mainspring in precise increments, creating the familiar ticking sound and ensuring accurate timekeeping. The gears and wheels in a mechanical watch work together to transmit motion from the mainspring to the hands of the watch. Each gear has a specific purpose, ensuring the smooth and accurate movement of the watch hands. Mechanical watches often feature complications, additional functions that go beyond basic timekeeping. These can include features like chronographs, moon phase displays, calendars, and even intricate tourbillon mechanisms that counteract the effects of gravity on timekeeping accuracy. Crafting a mechanical watch requires exceptional skill and precision. Master watchmakers meticulously assemble each tiny component, ensuring that everything works in perfect harmony. This intricate process combines traditional craftsmanship with modern techniques. Mechanical watches are not just about telling time, they evoke a sense of tradition, artistry, and appreciation for mechanical engineering. They are a testament to human ingenuity and the beauty of intricate mechanisms. In conclusion, mechanical watches are captivating timepieces that operate through a complex interplay of springs, gears, and mechanical components. Their intricate mechanisms and timeless appeal continue to fascinate watch enthusiasts and collectors worldwide.